would have fucking thought I was gonna let a man named Milton ruin everything that I have? It's not gonna happen.
The fucking wall's coming off.
It's not the 140-mile-per-hour winds. It's not the possible loss of electricity. It's not the possible loss of food. It's that these guys will end up in my kitchen. Stay safe.
Oh my God. They better get up or they're going to hit the power lines. Holy fuck! Oh my God.
Last hour, we were pretty high on the water level, okay? Then we moved down to to belly level, and then waist level. The last time I checked the water, we were to the knees. Y'all ready for a water check? If you guys want a water level check,
Currently in my bedroom, and this little guy is just cruising. I can't think of anything more terrifying at the moment than having a gator come right up on my lawn.